Hi, hey, hello. It's been a while since I've done a vlog style video, and I have let the room go to shambles. I have a important reel to film tomorrow, and I need a clean space to do it. I've been away for the past 3 weekends. And I do most of my cleaning and tidying up on the weekends, so the room is a little bit messy, chaotic. Things are just all over the place, so we need to fix that. I think I'm just gonna focus in this room because this is where I'm gonna be filming tomorrow anyways. If I have time, I'll do the kitchen, living room area, but we'll see. I also think the last time we talked like this, the room was arranged in a different way. I want to say like at least a month ago now, we rearranged both areas to kind of add more space and improve the flow. So I will show you guys what I've done, hopefully prior to cleaning. I also have my mic on because I've had it this whole time, but just been too lazy to use it. I also got my lights set up, improved the lighting, which again, I've also had this whole time, but too lazy to use it. So here we are, finally using it. I usually use these things for filming reels, but I thought, why not put the extra effort into this? All right, let's get into cleaning. Dresser has been like this for a couple weeks. Suitcase has been full, repacked, and empty 3 times because I've been gone for 3 weekends in a row, but I haven't actually unpacked it and put it away. So we're gonna clean this up finally. It's like if you were just to keep up with things and do a little bit here and there, it would never accumulate to this much. But with being gone for 3 weekends, it just didn't happen. So here we are. You may notice that this is new. Recently just got that. When I said we rearranged things, it was because I got some new furniture items. So yeah, this is much better for the space and holds a lot more clothing, which is good for the big, bulky winter clothing, which, surprise, surprise, it's winter. All right, let's keep cleaning. And yes, there is a random dresser in the middle of the room. Unfortunately, it needs to stay until we can move out our TV cabinet that we are currently using. That one is going to get moved into the main house area, and this is going to replace it, but waiting for there to be space in that area before we can do the swap. So it is here for now until things get figured out. All right, let's make the bed and clean up this area. I know I keep moving this box around, but I plan to use it for packing up Christmas gifts, so it stays for now, and I will find a better home for it in a bit. All the random socks that we take off in bed. Laundry. Oh look, there's more. Excuse me, I'm trying to make the bed. How am I supposed to do that with you here? Oh, you're joining the party as well. You guys are crazy. You're wild. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me, I'm gonna bury you. You wanna get covered? All right. Poor chickie. Come on out. Girls. Please.
Hours later.
Okay. Okay. Guys, she's crazy. Oh my God. She's feral. She's a feral animal. What are you doing? What are you doing? I'm so sorry for your ears. Are you done? Can I finish? Can I finish? Will you allow me to finish? Will you let me? Thank you. Thank you for your permission. Don't worry about it. This doesn't concern you. This doesn't concern you. It's okay. It's not going to attack you, I promise. Hey. Hey. What? Excuse me. You think you're trying to help, but you're not. You're not helping. You're not helping. Guys, this video is going to be like an hour long just because of her. I'm so sorry. Sorry, not sorry. Don't know if you guys can hear, but she's now drinking out of the water fountain like her life depends on it. Did you get a little too hyped up, girlie? No, 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 no. No, no, no. We're almost there. Scooch me. Thank you. Want your fox? In a rawhide? It's over there. I don't have it. It's over there. Who knew this video was going to turn into try and make your bed with the crazy dog challenge? But here we are. And I did it. Okay. Got a lot of doggy outfits. Probably don't need to have all these out. Huh? Well, y'all might wonder why I put so many blankets on their dog bed. Well, the little one sometimes can't hold her bladder all throughout the night and likes to pee on material-like objects, so it's a lot easier to clean up the blankets than it is the bed. So there we go. Guys, I always lose this scrunchie because I put it on shirts or hoodies, and then when I take them off, I forget about it, and then 2 weeks later, can't find it. So here we go. And eventually it'll be here, and then I'll be in the same situation. You'd think I would have learned by now. All right, the most important part, I would say, cleaning the desk area. Let's do it. I've been sick the past week, so I've just been finding tissues everywhere. The joys. Did you guys see that? He just bit me for no reason. What a little shit. It's crazy how things get so dirty so quick. And like maybe it hasn't been that quick, but you just don't expect it to happen. Especially I guess when you have 3 animals and one that can easily jump up on desks and claim it as their bed. All right, I'm gonna do a quick vacuum and then we're done. Thanks for cleaning with me and keeping me accountable by me filming this and you watching it. And see you guys next week. If you like this, please comment, like, subscribe. Sorry, the other one's going crazy. Any support means the world to me. Okay, bye.